All right, y'all. So, first of all, thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I just want to warn you that there's going to be some screeching in the background. I would like to apologize for that, but enjoy and stay tuned for the picture and name reveal of my car at the end. Okay, so it's happening, y'all. As you can see, it is almost 10:40 at night. I have put this off all day. My payoff amount is $470.12. We're gonna do it. We started at $15,498.73. All right, let's go, y'all. We're gonna do it. All right, so as you guys can see, the due date is June 22nd. Today is June the 15th, 2022. The amount due is $354.69. But I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put change the payment amount to what was the balance, $470.12. And we're gonna make the payment now. Sorry if that's blurry. Okay, so continue, pay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's done. It's done. Thank you guys for coming along to watch me pay off my car.